guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an easy beginner tutorial of your eyeliner. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the materials that you're going to need is an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using the Myra and Karina palette. And then from in here, I'm going to be using the color Nocturnal. And I do have to say guys, we're starting with eyeshadow because I started with eyeshadow. I started doing my eyebrows, my eyeliner, all with eyeshadow, and I still use it. And I think it's a great way to learn how to do your eyeliner with that instead of using the gel eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner before. That tends to get a little bit more messy. So let's get started with the eyeshadow stuff. With that being said, we're going to use eyeshadow today. So you're going to need eyeshadow. You're going to need tape. You're going to need an angled brush. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. It is, again, pardon my nails, but let's focus this on the e.l.f. angled brush. And I'm also going to have in hand some makeup remover wipes and another eyeliner brush. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of tape. In this case, I'm going to get a small piece of tape. To take the stickiness off, I like putting it on my palm. Then, what you're going to do, I'm going to get a little bit closer here, guys, is that you're going to follow your bottom lash line to where you want to put the tape. If you want it more sharp, you could put it a little bit more up. Let's see if this focuses on me. I want it there. Once I get it where I want it, I stick it and I gently push it down. Now what we're going to do is that you're going to get your angled brush. You're going to dip it into the eyeshadow that you want to use, which in this case for me is a Nocturnal. Just make sure you get a lot of product in there. That's what I'm putting. And then I'm going to try and get closer to you guys again. And then here, what you're going to do is you're going to start in the middle. Then you can open your eye if you want to. Drag it out. Then follow. I want it up to here. You see that? Dip it again into the color that you want to use. Now, from here, you can also work inward from the outside. Now, what you're going to do is that you can close your eye for this or leave it open, but you're going to connect it to this one. Ready? Now all you do, if you want, put a little bit more in here. That same brush, you can put it in. What I like doing at this point is switching brushes to the fine one that I have. Going back in here. And connecting. And don't worry if you see fallout at the bottom, you can definitely wipe that away with a makeup wipe, or you can even use like a brush to wipe all of that off. You see how I feel like this one got a little bit more thicker up here than this one? So now I'm going to try and equal this one to that one. Just a tiny bit. So once you're done with that, I like peeling, peeling. So now all you have to do is just put a little bit of mascara, your eyelashes, and you're done. Or you can add a little bit of glitter on the top of what you already have. And this is just to give it a little bit of color in my end. And you can also get any glitter or whatnot and add it a little bit to the top or inner corner, like dabbing it at the top. With makeup, don't be afraid to try. You can add, take off. It is what it is with that. Yes, I do like saying it is what it is a lot. So now this is the final product, guys, and it only has a little bit of curling iron. Again, I curled my eyelashes and I put a little bit of mascara and I left everything as is. If you want to be more dramatic, well, add a little bit of eyelashes if you want it to be a little bit more dramatic. I, of course, added mine. And you can get very dramatic ones or you can get more subtle ones. If you want to be a little more extra, you can go ahead and put your foundation, your eyebrows, everything else done. And of course, like I said, you can build up with the color, try different colors, and then once you feel very confident about what you're doing, you can take one thing off, meaning the tape. And if you feel a little bit more confident without the tape and wanting to use gel eyeliner or even the pencil liquid eyeliner, go ahead and try it. There's nothing wrong with trying, guys. That's what makeup is for. I personally wear makeup because I like it, and I like the way that it makes me feel, and I like the way that how I apply it, and all of that. So that's it. And again, I hope you guys like this mini tutorial that I made, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good night, evening, morning, wherever you're at. Take care, guys. Until next time. Bye.